If your Roku TV isn't connected to the internet, you can link it to Xfinity Wi-Fi in just a few steps and start streaming again. Alright, so first up, and the first step is opening the network settings. So to do that, you press the home button on your Roku remote, then you go to settings, network, and set up connection. Pretty simple. Then choose your wireless connection. Choose wireless. Roku will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Then select your home Wi-Fi name, the one created in the Xfinity app, or printed on the router label. Then you enter the password carefully, then select connect. And then in order to perform a connection test, Roku will automatically test it on its own. You should just see a connection successful message. And then Roku TVs cannot connect to Xfinity public hotspots that require a web login. You must use your home Xfinity app. You must use your home Xfinity Wi-Fi router. And to fix the common issues, so the troubleshooting is as follows. Restart Roku TV, restart the Xfinity modem, move TV closer to the router, use a different Wi-Fi band, and forget network and then reconnect again. This is how you connect your Roku to Xfinity and get back to streaming. If this helped, let us know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.